Welcome to our channel. If you want to support charitable causes while receiving free trial subscriptions as donation perks, follow these step-by-step instructions to access these mutually beneficial programs. Step 1. Research nonprofit organizations and charities that partner with commercial services to offer donation incentives, where donors receive free trials or premium subscriptions as thank you gifts. Step 2. Visit charity websites or fundraising platforms like GoFundMe Charity, Global Giving, or Donors Choose to browse campaigns that include corporate partnership perks for contributors. Step 3. Look for donation tiers or reward levels that specifically mention free trial access to streaming services, apps, software, or subscription boxes as part of the giving benefits. Step 4. Select your donation amount, ensuring it meets the minimum threshold required to receive the trial subscription perk you're interested in claiming. Step 5. Complete the donation process by entering your payment information and contact details. Make sure to provide an accurate email address as redemption instructions will be sent there. Step 6. After your donation is processed, check your email for a confirmation message from the charity or partnered service provider with instructions on how to claim your free trial. Step 7. Follow the redemption instructions provided in the email, which typically involve clicking a unique link or entering a promotional code on the service provider's website. Step 8. Create an account or sign in to activate your free trial subscription. Your trial period may be longer than standard offers as a special thank you for supporting the charitable cause. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.